If you want to detoxify your kidneys, the first thing you should consider is improving your eating habits and reviewing how well you are moisturizing. Once this is done, you might consider incorporating some juices into your diet, such as those we will discuss later. The kidneys are the organs responsible for filtering toxins and waste from the bloodstream. Therefore, if they are harmed, mainly by the practice of bad habits of life, such as the consumption of excessive coffee, sugar, sodium and saturated fats, for example, and stop functioning properly, health suffers. Keep in mind that when you eat a balanced diet, your body can receive all the nutrients it needs to perform its functions. But when this is not the case, it is imperative that you change your eating habits, following your doctor's recommendations. The following juices to detoxify your kidneys would help you get all those nutrients your body needs to be healthy. Watermelon and lemon juice. Remember that watermelon has 92% water in its composition and is very good for detoxifying the kidneys. It also provides potassium, which dissolves kidney stones. As for the lemon, it is known to cleanse the body more than efficiently. Ingredients: 2 cups of diced watermelon, the juice of a lemon. Preparation: cut the watermelon into cubes and remove the peel. Squeeze the lemon. Place the 2 ingredients in the blender glass and mix well. Drink immediately. If you wish, you can add some ice cubes. Carrot and celery juice. Ingredients: 2 carrots, 3 stalks of celery, 1/4 cup of water. Preparation mode: peel the carrots and wash them with the other food. Cut both into slices and pieces respectively. Place everything in the blender, add water and process. When the drink looks homogeneous, drink it. Carrot and cucumber juice. Cucumber has great diuretic powers due to its high water content. Carrot helps the kidneys to keep the skin healthy, without wrinkles or acne. As if that weren't enough, they eliminate the excess uric acid that produces kidney stones. A mega dose of nutrients. Ingredients: 2 carrots, half a cucumber. Preparation: peel the carrots and cucumber. Cut them in slices and take them to the blender. Mix well and always drink in the morning, on an empty stomach. Cranberry juice. It is considered that, because of their content of antioxidants and vitamin C, the consumption of fruits such as blueberries, either natural or in drinks, could help you detoxify your kidneys. You can prepare it at home with the following ingredients. Ingredients: 1 cup of blueberries, half a cup of water, 1 spoonful of lemon juice, 15 milliliters. Preparation: wash the blueberries. Process until a homogeneous mixture is formed. Drinking on the spot. Parsley juice. Parsley is an herb known to be part of the seasoning of various recipes. Now, when incorporated into drinks for regular consumption, it is considered to have a diuretic effect capable of combating fluid retention and the accumulation of toxins. According to the experts of the Spanish Nutrition Foundation, it contains proteins, fiber, calcium, iron, potassium, vitamin A, folates, thiamine and flavonoids, which could contribute to kidney health. Ingredients: a cup of fresh parsley, a green apple, the juice of half a lemon, a piece of fresh ginger. Preparation: put all the ingredients in the blender and process for a couple of minutes or until everything is well integrated. Serve without straining and drink. Lemonade to detoxify your kidneys. Because of its high content of vitamin C and antioxidants, lemonade is considered a drink that can support kidney health and help you detoxify your kidneys. In addition, it is believed that citric acid would increase the levels of citrine in the urine, which is a compound that prevents the formation of kidney stones. Ingredients: 4 lemons, a glass of water, 250 milliliters. Preparation: extract the juice from the lemons and add it to the glass of water. Stir with a spoon a couple of times. Drinking on the spot. Radish, cabbage and celery juice. Radishes are one of the best options to detoxify the liver, gallbladder and kidneys, as they allow the elimination of waste. In addition, they protect against infections and have anti-inflammatory and antifungal properties. If you usually suffer from kidney stones, drink radish juice or include it as an ingredient in different foods. You can also combine them in this purifying recipe. Ingredients: 116 grams of radishes, a stalk of celery, 100 grams of purple cabbage. Preparation: wash all the ingredients well. Cut the radishes into quarters, the celery into slices and the cabbage into strips. Put it in the blender with a little water to facilitate blending and mix it to obtain a juice that you will drink immediately, better on an empty stomach. Cucumber and parsley juice. Ingredients: 5 spoonfuls of parsley, a quarter of a cucumber. Preparation mode: wash, chop the first one and cut the second one, peel first. Liquefy and ready. If you wish, you can add water or ice cubes. Beet juice. Due to its high content of phytochemicals such as betaine, beet juice is ideal for regulating the acidic pH of urine. In addition, it contains antioxidants and nutrients that stimulate the elimination of waste such as struvite and calcium phosphate, which are the main cause of kidney stones. Ingredients: a beet, a carrot, optional, a glass of water. Preparation: peel, cut and put the beets in the blender. If you want, chop a carrot and add it. Add the glass of water and shake as long as it takes to incorporate everything. Watermelon juice. This fruit is characterized by its high content of water, fiber and antioxidants, capable of cleaning and toning the kidneys to facilitate the elimination of waste. Ingredients: 4 cups of fresh watermelon, a handful of fresh basil leaves. Preparation: put the watermelon in the blender and beat it until it becomes liquid. The same can also be done using a blender. If more liquid is desired, a little water can be added. Finally, decorate with basil leaves.